Hi everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Craft Tube Floss Tube. Today's going to be a quick unboxing video. So it's a craft project that I'm going to start, and I'm going to see how I go and maybe film bits of it and take you along with me on this new adventure. So what I've got is this. Isn't that cool? It's a DIY miniature house. So I got it from work and they're on sale at the moment. Well, the sale finishes today, so but they come on sale every so often, and they've got a whole big range of these little miniature kits that you build everything. And this one's Sam's Study, and they just look so they're very intricate, and you build every little piece. So I thought I would take you along with me. So I've taken the clear wrapper off because of the glare, but we will try and get the sleeve off and we'll see what's inside. Oh. If I can get it off. Where's that sealed? Don't even know. Don't want to damage anything. There we go. I think. Okay, so Sam's Study. These are a little bit of a close-up. It's got wiring and there's a little chandelier hanging down, and so that's going to be fun. Okay, so let's have a look. There. All right, and here's the instruction book. Oh, look at that. So it's got all the different glues that you need, a list of other tools that you may need, painting, building. So this is the beginning, I think, where you build the first cabinet. And you've got bits of wire that you have to bend and shape to build the drawer fronts. And then that bookshelf, a ladder. Oh, this is going to be fun. Got a sofa chair, a mini round table, a mini box, a mini fruit tray. These are all the leather suitcase, a paper box, a book. There's lots of books. Look at all the books. 45 sets of books. These paintings, some plants. And that's the furniture when it's all built. And this is how you put the base together and set up the wiring. This is the wiring up there on the roof. And then the floor, that's building the chandelier. And then that's that. So let's have a look. Oh, that's how you assemble it and what sequence you do it. Okay. Here's our, so that's for the plants. These are all the little pieces. Woohoo! There's the wiring kit. Got the batteries and the little lampshade parts. Oh, this looks like the fruit bowl. And little tweezers. another cabinet, another cabinet, and this back here. So this must be the roof, and that's the sofa. And there's the floor base. There. That looks like some paint, little paint pot. And we've got some glue and some more glue. And then, don't know what those are for, but oh, they're the frames for the paintings. That's those, and then these are all the books and the floor pieces and all the bits that the templates. So let's have a look. Oh, look how little tiny they are. Okay, pull these out of the way. Move this box now. I can have a quick look through these. Right. There's all the books and bits of wallpaper. They all have to be cut out. These are more books. Oh wow. Van Gogh. Some classics there. And there are some more books. Oh, what are these? We've got cupcakes. Lots of cupcakes. And there's some music paper, lots of botanicals, some world maps. And then, not sure what these are, but these must be templates for something. I'm sure I will figure it out. Well, that's the roof part. So that's for the, I think you glue these on to the pieces of wood. So that's that one. And then this, I think must be, oh, these are the pattern that you cut out to cut out the fabric to make the sofa. So that's that one. Card paper. That must be for the paintings, and then that's the base of the floor, I think. So that is the little kit. Sam's study. So I can't see those cupcakes in there anywhere. Maybe they're in the pages of a book. Maybe it's a cookbook. Could be. But there's so many different ones that you can get. There's a bake shop. There's a greenhouse. There's lots and lots of different ones that you can get. So I'll have a go at this one and see how we get on. So thank you for stopping by and having a look to see my next new crazy project, and I will see you soon. Bye.